If you are looking for a powerful AI tool, you have probably come across MiniMax and Manus. But which one is actually better for your needs? In this quick comparison, I'll break down the key differences so you can decide fast. What is MiniMax? MiniMax is an AI platform focused on generating content like text, voice, and even interactive AI experiences. It is known for strong conversational AI and realistic voice generation. It's mainly used for chatbots, voice AI, content generation. What is Manus? Manus is more of an AI powered and automation tool. It helps you generate content, automate workflows, and handle tasks like research or writing. It is designed to act more like an AI assistant rather than just a content generator. Core features comparison MiniMax Advanced conversational AI, high quality voice generation, API focused for developers. Manus Task automation, content generation, workflow assistance, simpler user interface. In short, MiniMax is more technical, Manus is more friendly. Ease of use. MiniMax can feel a bit complex, especially if you are not a developer. It's better suited for people who want to build AI powered tools. Manus, on the other hand, is much easier to use. It is designed for everyday users who just want results quickly. Use cases. Choose MiniMax if you want voice AI projects, chatbot development, API integrations, and choose Manus if you want writing help, task automation, simple AI assistance. Performance and output quality. Both tools deliver solid results but in different ways. MiniMax stand out in voice and conversational quality. Manus is more consistent for general tasks like writing and productivity, so performance depends on what you actually need. Pricing and accessibility. MiniMax usually targets developers and businesses, so pricing can be more technical or usage based. Manus is more accessible, often with simpler plans aimed at individuals and small creators. Pros and cons. MiniMax pros powerful voice AI, developer friendly, highly customizable. MiniMax cons not beginner friendly, requires technical knowledge. Manus pros easy to use, great for productivity, quick results. Manus cons less advanced customization, limited for complex AI builds. Final verdict. If you're a developer or need advanced AI features, go with MiniMax. But if you want a simple, powerful AI assistant for daily tasks, Manus is the better choice. And tell me down below in the comments, which option did you choose before and what did you use? And tell me about your experience. And that's all for today's comparison. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and goodbye.